Hello, good morning students. So students, today we will discuss about different kinds of angles. Generally, there are six kinds of angles. They are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. So students, let's see on board. So students, acute angle number 2, right angle number 3, obtuse angle number 4, straight angle number 5, reflex angle number 6, complete angle. So students, now starting with acute angle is an angle which measures less than 90 degree. It means those angles are considered as acute angle which measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. यस विद्यार्थीहरू एक्युट एङ्गल यस्तो एङ्गल हो जुन 0 र 90 डिग्रीको बिचमा पर्छ. फर इक्जाम्पल 10 डिग्री, 20 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 55 डिग्री, 70 degree, 85 degree. All these angles are acute as because all these angles lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Now students, let's understand the concept of acute angle through the help of figure. Now how can we recognize acute angle with the help of figure, students? Now let's understand it. So students, here I have drawn an angle of 50 degree. As you can see, an angle of 50 degree is less than 90 degree. It means it lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Therefore, this angle is an acute angle, students. विद्यार्थीहरू 50 degree को एंगल 90 भन्दा सानो हुन्छ. त्यसैले 50 degree को एंगल acute angle हो. Now students, let's understand the concept of acute angle once more. Students, as you can see, this is an acute angle as because we can see the two arms, the gap between two arms, is very less. Students, you can see the gap between these two arms is very less. So in this way we can recognize an acute angle without measuring two. If the gap between the two arms is less, then we can consider it as acute angle. Acute angle मा दुईवटा आर्म्स बीचको ग्याप अलिक कम रहेको हुन्छ. त्यसैले हामीले यदि दुईवटा आर्म्स बीचको ग्याप कम छ भने, थोरै छ भने हामीले त्यसलाई एक्युट एंगल मान्न सकिन्छ. So students, now let's move towards another angle, that is right angle. Right angle is an angle which exactly measure 90 degree. जुन एंगल को मेजर 90 डिग्री हुन्छ त्यसलाई हामी राइट एंगल भन्छौं. यदि कुनै पनि एंगल 90 डिग्री को छ भने त्यसलाई हामी राइट एंगल भन्न सक्छौं. So students, now let's see the definition on the board. So students, an angle which exactly measures 90 degree is known as right angle. Now students, let's understand the concept of right angle with the help of figure. How can we recognize right angle with the help of figure. Here I have drawn figure of right angle. Students, you can see here I have drawn figure of right angle. This is a right angle, students. And recognizing right angle is very easier task, students. It is very easy to recognize right angle by the help of figure. Students, as you can see, one arm is standing straight up. हामीले हेर्न सक्छौँ एउटा आर्म सिधा माथितर्फ स्ट्यान्ड गरेको हुन्छ, सिधा माथितर्फ उभिएको हुन्छ, ठाडो उभिएको हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, यु क्यान सी. सो यदि कुनै पनि एङ्गलमा एउटा आर्म यसरी ठाडो उभिएको छ, सिधा उभिएको छ भने त्यसलाई हामी राइट एङ्गल भन्न सक्छौँ स्टुडेन्ट्स. यु क्यान सी हियर अल्सो दिस आर्म इज स्ट्यान्डिङ स्ट्रेट अप. Here it is a right angle. And students, we generally use square corner. We generally use square corner to denote right angle. Instead of curve, we use square corner. Students, here it is your square corner. We generally denote right angle with the help of square corner. विद्यार्थीहरू, हामीले राइट एङ्गललाई डेनोट गर्नु छ भने हामीले स्क्वायर कर्नरको प्रयोग गर्छौँ. होप यु हेभ अन्डरस्टुड द कन्सेप्ट अफ राइट एङ्गल. नाउ लेट्स मुभ टुवार्ड्स थर्ड टाइप अफ एङ्गल, द्याट इज obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle which measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It means the angles which lies between 90 degree and 180 degree are considered as obtuse angle. Let's write the definition. So students, obtuse angle is an angle which measures between 90 degree and 180 degree. सो विद्यार्थीहरू, अप्टिस एङ्गल भनेको 90 डिग्री र 180 डिग्रीको बिचमा पर्छ. फर इक्जाम्पल 100 डिग्री, 120 डिग्री, 135 डिग्री, 150 डिग्री, 175 डिग्री, 179 डिग्री, all these are obtuse angle. Now students, let's understand the concept of obtuse angle through the help of figure. Students, here I have drawn an angle of 120 degree. As you can see, 120 degree lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Therefore, 120 degree is an obtuse angle. विद्यार्थीहरू, 120 डिग्री भनेको 90 डिग्री भन्दा ठुलो हो र 180 डिग्री भन्दा सानो भएको हुनाले 120 डिग्री obtuse angle रहेको छ. So students, as you can see, I have made another obtuse angle with the help of pencil. Unlike acute angle, the gap between these two arms is little bit wider. विद्यार्थीहरू, हामीले हेर्न सक्छौँ यो एङ्गलमा दुईवटा आर्म्स बिचको ग्याप अलि धेरै रहेको छ, अलि ठुलो रहेको छ. स्टुडेन्ट्स, हामीले हेर्न सक्छौँ ग्याप यहाँ धेरै रहेको छ. त्यसैले यस्तो एङ्गललाई हामी के भन्छौँ? obtuse एङ्गल भन्छौँ. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, एट लास्ट नाउ लेट्स रिवाइज द टाइप्स अफ एङ्गल्स इन सर्ट. दिस इज एन acute angle as because the gap between these two arms is very less. And students, this is your right angle as because you can see this arm stands straight up. So विद्यार्थीहरू, हामीले हेर्न सक्छौँ यो आर्म्स अहिले सिधा माथि उभिएको छ, ठाडो उभिएको छ, त्यसैले यो राइट एङ्गल हो. एन्ड स्टुडेन्ट्स, एट लास्ट दिस इज योर obtuse angle as because we can see द ग्याप बिट्विन दिस टु आर्म्स इज भेरी वाइडर, इज भेरी लार्ज। विद्यार्थीहरू, यो दुईवटा आर्म्स बिचको ग्याप धेरै ठुलो भएको हुनाले यसलाई हामी अप्टिस एङ्गल भन्न सकिन्छ। Hope you have understood very well. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.